why do you get to have coffee?
Do you want coffee?
Yeah.
Turn this way. It's a knee knocker, isn't it?
You're right in my way, man.
Well, look at all that space you have.
I need this space. I'm doing stuff.
All right.
Got me all turned sideways.
You think the camera's close enough? Should I wear a hat? I should wear a hat.
Why?
Or a headband.
Why?
Let me put my headband on.
For indoors?
Because my hair's a mess. It's a girl thing.
Mine is too.
No.
I need a headband. Where's my headband at?
You don't get one. You got a hat. No? My hair doesn't look too bad. Why does it picture me? No! You're not.
What?
You're not wearing that. Are you recording? Right, I guess my hair is fine. I just need a haircut. Yeah, we're not eating all that bacon and sausage
fried
and
potatoes, scrambled eggs, with cheese on it.
With cheese on it. But also
makes me want to eat scrambled.
They might be going, what are you talking about?
Recently, within the last few months, Terry and I had doctor's appointments, and both of us, the doctors have said, listen, you got to change your diet. With me, my cholesterol's high, and Terry had something else, something with what was
plaque
plaque
in your arteries. Yeah.
And
which I'm sure we probably all do, but for them to mention it now made me nervous.
But me and we're not 20 years old anymore, so.
And our weight, we couldn't figure out. We started eating lighter, but we're like, why can we not take the weight off?
Mm-hmm.
What is happening? We walk, and not just with the dogs. I mean, we go for a good mile and a half walk, and still the weight doesn't want to come off.
But one thing, we started cutting out sugar a long time. Like a long time ago. A year or two ago, we pretty much have been coming off sugar, and we did lose weight. We lost some weight by not eating the 3 C's, which is cookies, candy, and cakes. Yeah, we've cut down on doing any of that stuff.
But it was a little bit of weight. It just wasn't.
But then you stop. Yeah. You lost, and then you hit that mark.
Yeah.
And then just stop.
And if you're not careful, it starts gaining back.
It can be because you start compensating with other stuff.
Yeah.
But here recently, we've said, listen, since the doctors talked to us, it kind of gives you a bit of a scare. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, it does.
So we said, well, what can we do? So we thought, you know what? Hopefully we can help some people out as well, motivate you to do some things. So what we're doing is we're going to launch this little
challenging ourselves.
We're challenging ourselves, and we're going to bring you along for the challenge.
Yes.
What we're trying to do, and we're going to see if we can do it, because we think we can do it. We're trying to see if we can eat on $75 a week.
Yes.
Not a piece.
Together.
Yes. And we're putting a menu together. And Terry, anybody knows Terry? Terry's Mrs. Spreadsheet. She's got a spreadsheet for everything. So, she's went on here and found kind of everything that we buy, and she went on the Walmart's website and found prices for them and everything like this, and we're putting together a menu.
Yes.
To try and see if we can.
And our menu is Sunday through Saturday, and that includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We do a lot of oatmeal now.
Oatmeal, fruits, and nuts.
Oatmeal, fruits, and nuts for breakfast, which is very filling, and it holds us over till dinner. But the thing is that if you want a snack, you can grab a banana or an apple. And then lunchtime and dinner time is going to be sometimes combined together, right? So we're going to do...
Yeah, we're trying. We've got this concept, and I don't know if we can do it for everything. And the concept is cook once, eat twice.
Yes.
So maybe try and cook around lunchtime, eat lunch, and have enough held over that you can either eat the same thing at dinner, or use what you use for lunch to incorporate into another meal for
repurpose it.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
So I mean, like yesterday, we and you're going to see some of this in the video. Yesterday we did
Chicken tacos.
Tacos, and one of the things we did, we've always liked this. Instead of using ground beef, we like chicken, and what I'll do is I'll cut the chicken up in thin strips instead of using those packets, the taco seasoning packets, which got junk in them.
Yep.
I season it myself, and then I just put in chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And I season it to our taste.
Yes.
And that's it. No sugar, none of that
stuff
mess.
we can't even pronounce.
Yeah. So I'll slice up we use 1 chicken breast and slice up bell pepper and onion, and we let it rock.
And our homemade tortilla
But
shells.
stole my thunder,
I
man.
stole your thunder. Sorry.
But one of the most unhealthy things that we found was some of the tortillas, have some mess in them as well.
Yes.
So Terry got in there and researched, and shoot, she's making our own tortillas, and honestly, it's better
with organic, unbleached flour.
Right. No junk in it.
No wheat. No junk in it. Just wheat flour.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. So honestly, you're going to see in the video her making the tortillas, me cooking them on the Blackstone. And as soon as those come off, we put on the chicken, the bell peppers and onions. And I tell you what, I would buy it. I'd buy it from another. If someone was cooking those like that, I'd buy them in a heartbeat. They're that good. What's in tortillas?
Look at that.
That's so thin it's only got one side. What's in tortillas? Is this flour and water?
Flour, water, salt, and olive oil.
Huh. Cool.
Here we go. Tortilla
Boom. Number one in the books. Why is it you put stuff so you remember where it's at? You're like, I'm going to put this right here. This will be a great place to put it. And then when you get there, you can't remember where you put it. Spent the last 15 minutes looking for my hose here. Okay. I think we got everything we need to get. Now it's just time for Terry to whip some stuff up I can throw on here. 3 more. We ready to go to the Blackstone.
Flour on them so they don't stick.
Yeah. 3 more and we're ready to rock and roll.
Yep.
Anybody knows this is my favorite thing. Just put down some avocado oil. Now we're putting down Terry's tortillas. Get these bad boys going. I think we're going to get 4 at a time on the Blackstone.
Look like some good tortilla shells to me.
Fantastic.
Look good. I think so. Look at that puffing up.
Puff Daddy.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna step over here because it smokes like all in my face.
So this is actually just 1 chicken breast, and this is plenty for me and Terry.
Any more than that, definitely be.
Yeah,
because it's so tasty, we'd want to eat it.
But anymore, this is about all we can eat is 1.
Yeah, it really is. Otherwise, we're just too stuffed later.
Yeah.
So, we want to try to be healthy and work things out, as a team to make it work for us. So, we live longer. We want to live another 20 years with each other. We got some amazing times ahead of us.
So, hopefully you guys are going to get something out of this. This is going to be a series of videos. We're going to release these on Wednesday, or they're going to be available to watch on Wednesdays. And we're still going to try and have our videos, our normal videos, on Fridays.
Yes.
So this is going to be a little series of cooking lighter, cooking healthier.
And I'll tell you some of the things that we eat, and if you guys are interested in the meal plan template, we'll put it in the link below.
There you go.
And also, some of the stuff that we're using, you might not like that. You might not like chicken tacos. You might want beef tacos or turkey tacos, or maybe you don't like meat at all. You can substitute, which makes it kind of cool. So this is what we do. So you can follow it or use the template and make it your own and change your ingredients.
Yeah, you can just do your research. It's, low fat. That's low fat, no sugar, low sodium. There we are, homemade tortillas. 1 chicken breast, onion, bell pepper, an avocado, and a tomato.
Who needs any more than that?
Yeah, you don't have to starve to death or eat grass to eat healthy. But the biggest thing is I can't deal with no bland food. So, we see when I season something, it's well seasoned. I'm not, but I mean with stuff like chili powder and cumin, turmeric or oregano, garlic, onion powder, things like that. Ginger. When we cook stuff, I ain't fooling around. I've got it seasoned to the hilt. But and that's what we like. Some people like things maybe a little bit. I like spicy food too. So I mean, I like spicy food, and not all the time does it like me, but I like.
So we're going to bring you guys along with us.
Right.
We've got the template made up. We've got our budget. We've got all of our ingredients, all the food, the meats, the vegetables, the seasonings, anything that we use. We got it in our template, and we'll add things along the way. I mean, we thought about fish tacos this morning, and we thought, well, they're
shrimp or fish tacos,
yeah. And the grocery store that we're going to this week when we go grocery shopping actually has a fish market, right? Yeah, has a fish market. So we're going to see what they have there. We don't really like frozen shrimp too much. Some people do. If you like it, perfect. But for us,
it makes a big difference. Fresh fish is just, and if you're along the coast like we are, this happen to be right now, take advantage of it.
Yeah.
One thing I'm gonna do, is Terry makes her own bread nowadays, and which is or rolls and stuff. It's fantastic. And what we're gonna do is get some fresh shrimp. God, say that 7 times. Gonna get some fresh shrimp, and we'll get Terry to make some of her big buns, and we're gonna have some shrimp.
Oh, and one more thing: tomato sauce, homemade tomato sauce.
Yeah, I watched a video because chili, you need tomato sauce, right? And I got to look at the cans of tomato sauce, and of course I got junk in them. So I seen this video, and I thought, what? 10-15 minutes, you can make your own tomato sauce. It was so simple, and we'll have it on a video. But it was so simple. I'm like, I'm never buying tomato sauce in a can again. Well, I mean, it's so much better with fresh tomatoes anyway.
And you make a batch, you can freeze it. Yeah. Some people can it. We, in our RV, we don't have a lot of storage space, so we don't do a lot of canning. But we got the nice freezer bag that you can put your sauce in. That doesn't have the leached plastic that gets in your food. I never was really a big thing on that, but some people swear by it. They will not use the plastic freezer bags, but these are like BPA friendly and all that good stuff.
Try and eat healthier. Try to eat lighter. Take Terry's spreadsheets to see if you can put them together. Hey man, let us know how you're doing. We'll let you know how we're doing.
Yeah.
So far we've been doing this, a little bit for well, we kind of eased into it a little bit before. It's like Terry making our bread,
cutting back on seed oils,
the
saturated fats,
seed oils. We use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, or we use avocado oil, and that's it.
All right. Well, you know what? Stick around, and we'll show you more.
The Kellys are out.
The Kellys are out. right, so the first tab here is our, and it's not going to let me go to it, but our first tab here is our $75. Is it recording? Oh.
What?
It wasn't recording.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me.
No, me.
Oh, am I supposed to be recording or not?
Daniel, you are recording.
Am I supposed to be?
Yes. You got a chicken wing salad.
Just asking for a friend. You don't have to have like a degree to get this spreadsheet, do you?
No, you don't have to have a degree.
Need to know like a secret handshake or
no,
have
you
a
don't.
secret decoder ring or anything like that.
No secret decoder ring. It'll just be in the description or comments below, and you can just click on the PDF.
I think you ought to get them to do a funny...
Or the Google. It'll be a Google sheet.
I think you ought to have them do a funny dance and record it, and then you'll send it to them.
If you record
no dance, no spreadsheet. And for whoever does the Macarena, I'll give you the secret recipe for my tomato sauce.
All right, guys, stick around and we'll take you along with us.